What's good, guys? Today we're at my favorite track, Tsukuba 1000. Now, unfortunately, as you guys know, I get my license back tomorrow, so I couldn't actually drive my car here to the event to drive it. So today's more of like being here, supporting everyone, having fun, filming a sick video for you guys, playing the passenger game, and maybe, if I'm lucky, getting to drive Okachan's rental S15 at the end of the day. But otherwise, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So everyone's still kind of warming up. So they're all getting the hang of the track. Quite a few people here have never driven here before. So it's very interesting watching them kind of like level up as they do each lap and kind of get some seat time and get familiar and more confident with this track. There's Oyama-san, absolutely killing it off the bat. And the Toyota Vitz is pretty cool, otherwise known as a Toyota Echo in Australia. In the pink rental S15 is a family down from Okinawa. The husband, the wife, the son, and as you can see, she's still learning. But yeah, the entire family drifts. Like even they've got two sons, and their younger son even gets in there with a bunch of pillows on the bride, fixed back, and flicks it a few. It's actually really cool. So they flew all the way up from Okinawa, which was sick. We're gonna have to get in the passenger seat of Oyama-san's S15 for sure. 180 gang. Just secretly, I'm trying to convince May to let me build her a 180 because she's stuck on the whole RX-8 idea right now. So if you guys could help me out and spam her Instagram and tell her to get a 180, that'd be great. All right, let's see how she does. She's been doing really well. Oh, hell yeah, she's got it. Floor, more throttle, more throttle. There she goes. Woo! So we are now in the car with Yuta-san, and he's learning in the rental. So let's see how he's doing. Oh, ine. Alright, a few mistakes, but that's all good. He saved it. Good job. Alright, so that was a little bit of fun. So let's do a quick pit walk and show you what's here. We got this really clean S15, which is running one of those really cool new Recaro seats with all the pads and stuff. Super cool. Okachan's kind of like go-to setup. Factory turbo, carbon fiber intake pipe with the R35 airflow meter, running R35 injectors, R35 coil packs, R35 injectors with his special, it's like a conversion kit that he makes that changes the fuel rail and everything, so you can run top feed injectors on the side feed rails. So that's kind of cool. And then obviously his setting and everything like that. The way he also sets it up is it still does use like an upgraded Nismo fuel pressure regulator. So it's like got a special CNC block there and everything that works with it, and then comes to this kind of merge collector here, which I think is really unique. And then over here, this guy, he's going to be battling me in the beginner challenge, Drift Kingdom. Once again, one of Okachan's kind of go-to setup. Running, this time though, is a HKS turbo upgrade. 何turbo ですか? HKS の GT3RS? Okay, so a HKS GT3RS turbo, carbon fiber intake with the R35 GTR airflow meter. Once again, R35 coil packs, the Yashio Factory oil cap, and the painted valve cover, and obviously R35 injectors as well, with Okachan's conversion kit for that as well, and his setting and stuff like that. Very cool. It's literally like the best go-to reliable setup for a street drift machine. Moving on to Oyama-san's S15, you guys have seen this in previous videos. I really like this car because it is so clean, and he runs RGs as well, one of my favorite wheels. He's heading off. Have fun. Once again, Okachan's go-to setup, running the same turbo that's on this car as well, the HKS GT3 RS, and all the same kind of coil pack setup as well there. So really kind of cool that this is like a proven setup. You'll find that a lot of these guys with the S15s or the S chassis all have this same kind of setup because it's just proven and works really well. One thing that I actually find super interesting is Oyama-san drives specifically with no strut brace. And he explained to me that he finds it a lot better for steering input and stuff like that. But he's also the only one here that does that. Moving on here, let's take a look at this Vitz with an epic supercharger kit. This thing is so cool. I want one. Very, very cool. Very cool. I love that. And then over here, we got this really clean 180, which is running a glare body kit by the looks of it. A lot of people have asked me, actually, like Instagram DMs asked me what body kit this is because they really like it. So there you go, it's a glare one. I don't know much about it, but check it out. And kind of like a go-to setup with the S13 motor here. Still running the standard side feed injectors there. I believe he's running an upgraded turbo. Yeah, I can see it's a Greddy turbo upgrade kit. And running a 35 airflow meter, and Okachan's tuned this one and done the settings as well. So just like a really simple 180SX kind of S13 go-to setup. Just taking another look in the engine bay on this thing. He's got a brake booster stopper kit there. He's running a like engine damper kit there. Yashio Factory oil cap, that's sick. This thing is so cool. I really want to get myself like a little Vitz and have fun like this. This supercharger kit, I'm trying to work out who makes it. Oh, there's a Greddy logo on the cast there. That is so cool. Very, very interesting. I've never seen anything quite like this. This is great. Like even the brakes on this thing, endless upgraded brakes, running some nice SSR wheels, super grippy tires as well. And then the interior, it just gets better. He's running a Power FC. I didn't even know Power FC made stuff for these cars. Obviously really nice Nardi wheel with the Bell Works quick release. Bride Zeta3 seat. This is so cool. Yeah, I definitely need to get into this, I think. This is so cool. It's such a cool car. We need to get into that in the future, boys. It's so hot in the sun right now, but someone came around and gave us all one of these, which is like, it's like kind of chunked ice, but it's all lemon flavored, and you just kind of eat it out of a cup. First time ever experiencing this. Kind of interesting. So Uta's been doing so much better. Now that I'm not in the passenger seat with a camera, that entry was way faster. It's doing so much better. So I'm on tire changing crew with these guys. It's really important when you're at a track where there's like one big consecutive entry where you're using e-brake like Nico in here, that you switch your tires halfway through like your cycle. You'll find that this one's worn down more than this one. So to get longer life, you just switch them over. Another trick to get your tires to last longer is to cool them down with some water. You guys have seen me do this before when we had Chris Rice and Miata out here and we only had one pair. So we constantly went in and out after a few laps to cool them down with the hose. So we'll put these back on there. Hopefully we can get these to last a little bit till the end so that I can get a couple laps in. Okay, so a miracle just happened. Okachan threw me the keys to this and said I've got 10 laps. So we're gonna go out there, give it some fun. Now I've only ever done like 5 laps in an S15, so this should be fun. We'll see how we go. First time driving this course with an S15, so 10 laps to have some fun. Are we good? All right. Let's see what this thing feels like. Okay, it's pretty linear, so we should get the hang of this pretty easily. Yeah, this thing drives so well. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. We'll stick to second gear. Okay, so this thing self-steers itself so well. Alright, yeah, it'll take a while to get the hang of this corner with that. Definitely could do a faster entry, so let's practice a bit, get more comfortable, and then go from there, but this thing feels so good. so like agile, like every tiny bit of input I give the steering wheel, it does something. It's getting so hot here. I think. So we'll leave it at that. Yeah, we're at like 120 oil temp, so we definitely can go for a cool down. God, this car feels great. Amazing. I love this thing. I can't wait for my S15, yo. This thing is fun. Okay, so that was an experience. I got out of the car and we pretty much had to pack everything up ASAP because we're only doing a half day today. We've got a huge like kind of party that we're doing, barbecue and stuff like that. So we're gonna now move to like an air-conditioned room area of Tsukuba Circuit near like Tsukuba Nissan 2000 circuit. There's a really nice air-conditioned like lunchroom there that we're gonna use. Man, I am totally exhausted. Get up on the truck because we're going there now, which is totally legal, 100% legal, I promise you. Anyways, we'll pick things up from there. Bye! They're all gonna meet us at the barbecue place. This isn't sketch at all. One of my favorite things about Tsukuba Circuit is just like all the farmland around. The farmers like on their lunch break will come and actually like watch us drifting and stuff. It's pretty cool. There's even like solar farms and stuff around it. And then this is kind of like the parking area where it starts, like where all the VIPs park during like Formula, no, not Formula Drift, D1 GP. Oh, we're going on the public road now. Totally legal, guys. Look at this badass. Oi! Kenji. We just arrived at Tsukuba 2000. There's a nice Honda Beat there. Looks like all the bike guys are out right now in the pits racing their bikes. Always good to kind of like get to see them out there. They clock it, man. Like I'm sure guys are doing like 300 easy on some of these parts of the course. Listen to that. Hell yeah. And this is the air-conditioned lunch break room that we're going to use. This is possibly the worst job that you could get stuck doing at a barbecue right now in summer in Japan. Everyone's inside enjoying the AC and we're out here making things hotter. But in all honesty, I'm totally fine with it because Okachan let me drive his car for a bit, which was awesome. So I'm gonna slave away in the heat. It's the least I can do, right? We got a winner, boys. She's all lit. We'll let her sit for a bit and get all nice and hot, and then we'll start throwing the meat on, which is everything in these bags here. Oh, we even got some snags. Hell yeah, brother. So we're all the real MVPs because it's 36 degrees Celsius or 97 Fahrenheit and we're out here cooking over a hot coal barbecue while everyone's inside enjoying the aircon like OGs. Look at them. Cheeky buggers. Oh well, at least the meat's good and we get first dibs out here. When you've got watermelon but you forget the knife. It's a really cool workshop there. We're just leaving Tsukuba Circuit now, had an awesome day. Arigatou, Komuro-san. Now heading back to the workshop, unload everything. Man, what a fun day, I'm so happy. So time warping ahead, I'm now at the train station. I had an amazing day, but we'll talk about that later. About to jump on my train in the next few minutes. It'll probably be about an hour and a half train ride. I'm gonna get some sleep on the train because I'm a little bit heat stroke / only slept for 3 hours last night. So we definitely need to catch up on some sleep. What an absolute amazing day, man. And then to come home and see this beautiful girl here waiting for me. tomorrow I'm driving that. I'm beyond excited about getting my license back tomorrow and being able to take this thing out for an epic drive, go visit all my favorite places that I haven't gone to since losing my license. So I hope you're ready for tomorrow's video. But with that, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Today was absolutely amazing. I am so exhausted and a little bit heat stroke. But man, I am way too excited for S15 stuff. I talked to Okachan on the way home when he dropped me off at the train station. Seems like the S15 stuff's gonna be happening really, really quickly now. So keep an eye out for those videos, maybe this weekend, hint, hint. But anyways, guys, thanks heaps, really appreciate you. I don't know what else to say. I had a really good day and I'm super exhausted. So like, comment, share, subscribe, check out the links in the description. I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao, matane.